Insert will initial meeting. Mr. and Mrs. Taylor. Next field. 18th October 2024. Next field. Mr. and Mrs. Taylor are married. They have 2 children, Tony Taylor and Shirley Taylor. Neither of their children have children of their own. Full stop. Next field. 1 Thirsk Road. Joint tenants, £200,000. Joint cash savings, £200,000. Next field. Their instructions are as follows. Next field. Each other on first death and their 2 children on second death. Next field. Cremation for both. Next field. Not applicable. Next field. None. Next field. Each other on first death and equally between the 2 children on second death or to the survivor of them. Inheritance tax. MRA advised that there will be no inheritance tax issues in their estates and advised of the normal nil rate band, transferable nil rate band, and residence nil rate band. Full stop. Based on current law, they should have no inheritance tax issues. Full stop. MRA warned of the upcoming budget, however. Full stop. Next field, £495. Next field, 45 minutes.